In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see who screenshot your Instagram story. The ability to see who screenshotted your Instagram story can provide insights into who finds your content particularly interesting or engaging. It can help you understand your audience better and tailor your future posts to their preferences. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On this page, select on Accounts Center. You will then have to head into your information and permission. Tap on this first option of Download your information. Tap on Download or Transfer information. Your data will be sent via your email you used to open up your Instagram. When your information is sent, head into the section of Media. You will see the option of Screenshots, which is the second last option in the section of Media. You will see accounts that took screenshots of your story in the past 30 days. That's how easy it is to see who screenshot your story on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.